Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new pirate event in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Pirate Cove update has been released and there will be a new event that you can complete. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is the pirate event and basically this event is like the previous event. You need to do the daily quest, complete the daily quest, and then you will get the pirate token, or I don't know how to call it. And today's daily quest is catching 2 legendary fish, catching 2 sailor crab, and also catch 10 rare fish. And then we will get coins and we can get rewards. And of course, you can also use the coins to buy something from the limited shop. You can go to this area guys to find the limited shop. Wait, let me show you. Alright, this is the shop. Just talk to Eugene and you can buy items from here: the floating barrel, school lantern, and also the coral boat. Wow, it's cool. Okay guys, and that's all about the new pirate event in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.